Sleep is sweet, your eyes are like two jewels in the sky. Your back is straight, your hair is smooth on the pillow where you lie. And I don't sense affection, no gratitude or love. Your loyalty is not to me, but to the stars above. One more cup of coffee for the road. One more cup of coffee before I go to the valley below. Your daddy, he's an outlaw and a wanderer by trade. He'll teach you how to pick and choose and how to throw the blade. And he oversees his kingdom, so no stranger does intrude. His voice it trembles as he calls out for another plate of food. One more cup of coffee for the road. One more cup of coffee before I go to the valley below. Your sister sees the future like your mama and yourself. You never learn to read or write, there's no books upon the shelf. And pleasure knows no limits. Your voice is like meadowlark, but your heart is like an ocean, mysterious and dark. One more cup of coffee for the road. One more cup of coffee before I go to the valley below. Well, hi there pluckers, Arthur Sawfingers again with you with hopefully another interesting lesson for you. An old classic from Bob Dylan, of course, One More Coffee, okay. One more cup of coffee, sorry, one more cup of coffee. So standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as original version by Bob Dylan, okay. So this is my take on it. I've changed it very slightly to suit a single acoustic guitar. Okay, so starting off with a little riff, very simple. Open bottom E string, hammer up to the 3rd fret on the bottom E string, then the open A string, 5th string, into an A minor. Okay, so, and then with a little sort of Spanishy type rundown. That one, so that's 2nd on the 3rd string, open 2nd, 1st on the 2nd, open 2nd, 2nd on the 3rd. So it's second on the 3rd, open 2nd, 1st on the 2nd, open 2nd, 2nd on the 3rd. Then we strum a G chord 3 times basically. Okay, so it's three downstrokes on the G, and then what I'm doing there, open 3rd, 2nd on the 3rd, then a hammer up from the 2nd on the 3rd to the 4th on the 3rd, back down to the 2nd on the 3rd, open 3rd. Okay, so open 3rd, 2nd on the 3rd, hammer up from 2nd to 4 on the 3rd, back to the 2nd on the 3rd, open 3rd, then we play an F chord 3 times. Okay, now I'm playing a 4-fingered F. You can play a bar chord if you want, or a simple F is fine. But the one I'm doing is the simple F chord, but the third finger up to the third fret of the fifth string, sorry, the A string, and pinky on the third fret of the fourth string there. 5 down to 1, whichever F suits you best. Okay, so far, let's go from the beginning. That's as far as we've got. Then the riff on the F, after you've done 3 lots of downstroke on the F, you play the third fret of the fourth string. Right, so third fret of the fourth string, open third, then hammer from the open third to the second on the third. Okay, then the open third, then the third on the fourth, and then into an E chord. 3 strokes on the E chord. Okay, so once again, very slowly. What I do is this little riff that's on, it's actually on the record, the bass plays it, but I think it's quite nice, and that's it's this little just 3 notes one after the other, starting on the 4th fret of the D string, the 4th string, up to the 5th, up to the 6th. Okay, so you got 1, 2. But you can. What I do is I do that. So downstroke, upstroke, downstroke. Okay, got that? So the whole intro is, the way I play it is, oh, I forgot the hammer, sorry. What you can do with that is just slide it off at the end there if you like. Okay, don't have to, but it's an optional. And then I just basically repeated it, the whole thing, from the A minor bit. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, just repeat the whole thing. Okay, and then it goes into the first verse. Okay, so we'll do the whole intro from the beginning. And that's where it comes in with the singing, okay? And it's basically the same chords as the intro, okay? So it goes, your breath is sweet, your eyes are like the jewels in the sky. Back is straight, your hair is smooth, a pillow where you lie. Same chords as the intro, A minor, but no fiddly bits, okay? A minor, G, F, E. If you like, at the end of the E, you can do that before the second part of the first verse, if you like, which is what I do. Okay, so from the beginning of the first verse, your breath is sweet, your eyes are like the jewels in the sky. Back is straight, your hair is smooth on the pillow where you lie. Without intention, no gratitude or love. Your loyalty is not to me, but to the stars above. Right, so at that one, there's no, you don't bother with that there, okay? So it's just a straightforward E at the end of the verse, okay? No frilly bits, okay? So when you come out, before you do that, on the halfway through the first verse, when you come into that E where it goes, your Your back is straight, your hair is smooth on the pillow where you lie. It's basically 3 strokes. Where you lie. Okay, that's the timing of it. Okay. So then we go into the chorus, and the chorus is very simple. It goes up to F. Okay. One more cup of coffee for the E road. Back to F. One more cup of coffee for back to E again. Stop. Got that? So it's from the beginning of the chorus. One more cup of coffee for the road. One more cup of coffee before I go. Stop to the valley below, and then we do the one lot through the intro again. Second verse, your daddy's an outlaw, and that's it. Basically, that's everything that's in the song. It does another verse, another chorus, and then the third verse, and it finishes on the third chorus. Okay, so you end up with one more cup of coffee for the road. One more cup of coffee before I go to the valley below. Intro. Do that little run and then slide off and then slide down to an A minor. Finish the song. Okay, so we'll just go through one lot of intro, the first verse and the first chorus. Okay, just to get everything. So we'll do the whole intro, the first verse, the first chorus, going into the second verse. Okay, so here we go. It's sweet, your eyes are like 2 jewels in the sky. Your back is straight, your hair is smooth on the pillow where you lie. Got no sense of affection, no gratitude of love. Your loyalty is not to me but to the stars above. One more cup of coffee for the road. One more cup of coffee before I go to the valley below. Your daddy, he's an outlaw, and so on, boys and girls. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. A nice Spanishy type of song. Interesting to play, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.